Good morning, children. Yesterday I have discussed Schottky defect, and we know Schottky defect. Such type of defect occurs in ionic crystal, in which the size of cations and anion is almost equal. And Schottky defect is also called as stoichiometric point defect, means it occurs in the ionic crystal in which the number of cations and anions are equally numbered. Children, in Schottky defect, there is missing of equal number of cation and anion. It is okay. So, if there is missing of equal number of cation and anion take place, then the density of the crystal decreases. And since there is the formation of holes, because cation and anions are leaving their position, their actual position, so they are making their holes. So due to the formation of holes, means the crystal which is leaving the hole by the Schottky defect increases its electrical conductivity, correct? And the dielectric constant of the crystal remains unchanged. So such type of defects are shown by the crystals like KCl, NaCl and cesium chloride, etc. Now today I want to discuss Frankel defect. This Frankel defect, children, is named after Russian scientist Frankel. He discovered first time in 1926. And what is this defect that I have to discuss? This is also point defect, means Frankel defect is a point defect. And what type point defect? Stoichiometric point defect, means this Frankel defect also occurs in the ionic crystal in which number of cations and anions are equally numbered. Now what is Frankel defect? In Frankel defect, children, there is the dislocation of cation into interstitial site. You know, in an ionic crystal there is the arrangement cation, anion, cation, anion, cation, anion, cation, anion, cation, anion, likewise. But suppose this cation leaving its position, leaving its hole, shifted towards the interstitial site, means this is not missing but this is dislocating. So Frankel defect says that when there is dislocation of cation from its side to interstitial side of the crystal, it is okay, then the defect will be considered Frankel defect. Now what happens? During Frankel defect, the density remains unchanged. Density remains unchanged. And crystal remains electrically neutral. Crystal remains electrically neutral. And the dielectric constant increases. In case of Frankel defect, dielectric constant increases because there is charge variation will be observed in the sense of dielectric constant, because cation is very close to cation, means overall repulsion energy will be high and dielectric constant will be increased in case of Frankel defect. But in case of Schottky defect, dielectric constant remains constant because there was equal number of cation and anion were missing. Now this Frankel defect increases electrical conductivity. Why? Because of the formation of the holes. Due to the formation of holes, crystal increases electrical conductivity, increases dielectric constant. Crystal remains electrically neutral. The density remains unchanged. It is okay. These are the properties. But what type of crystal will show Frankel defect? Children, you know, the crystal in which the size of anion is larger in comparison of cation. Therefore, cation will shift towards interstitial site, means silver bromide, silver iodide and even zinc sulfide. Such type of crystal will show Frankel defect. And one more thing, means the size of anion should be larger than size of cation, and even the coordination number should be lower as compared to that of the crystals showing in Schottky defect. Children, it is clear? Once again, I do want to discuss you. This is Frankel defect. What were the features of the Schottky defect? In Schottky defect, there was the missing of equal number of cations and anions. It is okay. And crystal density decreases, dielectric constant unchanged, and crystal remains electrically neutral. But that Schottky defect was in the crystals having almost same size cation and anion. But here in case of Frankel defect, the size of anion should be larger than size of cation. The coordination number in Schottky defect was higher, but here the coordination number in Frankel defect for the crystals is low. Example: silver bromide, silver iodide, zinc sulfide. But there in case of Schottky defect, very simple: potassium chloride, sodium chloride. These are the common crystals. So I think I have given the comparison and detailed discussion of the Frankel defect and Schottky defect. And next topic will be of defects in non-stoichiometric crystals. So at very first, children, what do you mean of non-stoichiometric? The terminology of non-stoichiometric: the compounds in which cation and anion are not exactly equal in number. It is okay. Means, very simple example I am giving to you, children. Ferrous oxide. This ferrous oxide can be written as Fe decimal 95, means 0.950. So whether it is possible Fe 0.95? No, it means 95 iron atoms in different oxidation states. Means maybe ferrous or ferric will associate with oxide 100. So this is non-stoichiometric. We will discuss the detail of defects in non-stoichiometric crystals in next lecture tomorrow. And children should have to prepare the notes of solid state very sooner. Tomorrow and the day after tomorrow I will finish the solid state. I will give you the assignment. Should have to prepare the notes and prepare fair copy, and then I will start solution the next chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.